torque is pretty good, right? It still pushes you back to your seat. Good morning everyone, welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have with me a 2022 Land Rover D300. I'll show you all the mods that we did to this car. Let's check it out. So guys, this is called a Lumma CLR LD. This body kit, this wide body kit is from Germany guys. So you can see all the parts that we installed to the car. I'll start off with the front apron attachment. So you can see the left and the right side and the center piece. It's all from Lumma Design. This is their logo. So we installed this. It makes a big difference when you install it because it pushes it out and it makes it wider and looks more mean. Also, this grill from Lumma Design is from them. Comes with a kit. This is white. Before, doesn't look good, so we painted this. So the theme of this car is black and white. We love black and white stormtrooper look. Also, this bonnet attachment from Lumma Design, you just install it on top of the stock hood. Looks more mean, looks badass. So following the front spoiler attachment, you can see the main feature and my favorite part of this car is the wide extension arch. So this measures 40 mm. So it pushes out 40 mm wider on each side. So 80 mm total. Looks like an angry SUV because of this look. Also, we fitted the Lumma Design. Basically, it's all Lumma Design, guys. This is 22-inch Lumma Design wheels, Lumma CLR. It's made for this car, and we installed the Bridgestone tires, measuring 325, 35, 22. Looks really nice. I like the tread pattern of the Bridgestone tires on this car that we bought. It's not super noisy, it's very comfy. So we changed the brakes to a big brake AP Racing Radical series. It's huge guys. And it's perfect actually for the car because this Land Rover is made in UK. It's a UK brand. And this AP Racing is a UK brand as well. So that's the highlight of the car. The first to have the wide body kit in the Philippines and the first to have the big brake kit on a Defender in the Philippines. So you can see the Lumma Design side intake. This is a Lumma Design side skirt extension. My second favorite exterior part from Lumma Design is this roof light. So it comes with two spotlights. I'll turn it on for you guys, for you to see. It's actually so bright, so I like this. I think it's too boring if you don't have like lights on the SUV, so this is a nice add-on that you can buy. We made all panels glossy. So a lot of people are wondering why there's two calipers. So one is for braking, which is this one, the AP Racing, and that one is for the e-brake, electronic brake. A lot of people are asking me if I change to a big brake kit, do my electronic e-brake, which is the emergency brake, work? Well, that's the solution for you guys. Okay, so we deleted the spare tire of this car. I don't like how bulky the spare tire is. So you can see the whole Lumma Design logo. It's called CLR LD. And this attachment, rear attachment, is from Lumma Design. Looks good. The tailpipes are Lumma Design as well. So twin pipes. So it's an add-on to the kit. So yeah, basically that's it for this car. I'm very, very proud that we've built the first wide body Defender in the country. I'm very excited to show you guys more Defender builds because we're doing several right now. Hit us up if you need parts for your Defender or any Euro, exotic, SUVs, you name it, we have it in Import Hookup. Hi guys, welcome to the interior of this Land Rover Defender 110. It has a inline 6 3-liter engine which is producing around 300 horsepower, 296 horsepower to be exact. It's a pretty good daily car for Manila roads. So the owner called me before he bought the car. He told me, "Hey Keith, I'm gonna buy a base model Land Rover Defender 110. I'm not gonna put any accessories from the factory, and I want you to set it up for me." So yeah, that started the whole build. So I told him, hey, since it's a base car, let's make it the baddest Defender 110 in the country. I showed him this picture, the Lumma Design wide body kit. No one has it yet, guys. I think this is the first in Asia and one of the first in the world. But when he bought the car, I ordered the kit right away. It's from Germany. I'm testing it out for the customer, so everything's perfect. Then I'll hand it over next week. Look how wide it is, the fenders. The suspension is amazing. It's soft even if we're running on bigger wheels. Also, the pickup of the diesel engine is pretty good. So the pickup is good, the torque is good. I love the infotainment of the car. So you can see everything. We're at Temple Drive now. This is a local unit, the maps are in. Everything's very ergonomic with this car. I like how the buttons are located. I like how you can choose the modes. See? Grass, gravel, snow, mud, sand, rock crawl, weight. So we're now in comfort. Also, this car is equipped with air suspension ride height. This car setup is like an urban setup. It's not an off-road looking Defender. We like it looking urban, meaning to say big wheels, wide body, low. I know this is not the typical Defender setup. That's why we like it. I actually like the interior of the Defender. It's very utilitarian, meaning to say everything you touch, it's easy to clean, guys. I mean, if you get this dirty, the dashboard and this material dirty, it's very easy to wipe it off. Also, as mentioned before, I love the Defender because it has a lot of storage space. You have storage space here, you have a storage space here, and there's a lot of USB charging ports that you can use. Also, there's a refrigerator here. Maybe I don't like the bottoms of the steering wheel. Feels plasticky and cheap, and I think it doesn't feel good. And when you click the buttons, it's flimsy. Yeah, it doesn't look good. If you want a luxurious feel, interior feel, go for the Land Cruiser. But if you want rugged and sporty, go for the Defender, guys. We make sure that there's no cars while we film videos. We make sure everything's safe, guys, because we don't want any accidents while shooting. It takes a lot of effort to do these kinds of videos. So if you like it, kindly subscribe to our channel, like our video, and follow us, guys. If you're hunting for a new SUV, LC300 or Defender, I would suggest that you first test drive it and know which one do you really like. So Also, as comparing the engines, I think the Land Cruiser has more grunt. It feels faster compared to this one. I'm comparing the 6-cylinder versus the 6-cylinder. I haven't driven this car at high speeds, but yeah, the Land Cruiser 300 feels faster a bit, just a bit. If you want a Land Cruiser 300, the wait list now is a year, guys. Can you believe? So yeah, to conclude, which one do I like more? I like both, but it's all about personal preference, guys. You need to test drive the car, you need to see the interior, you need to feel the actual car to know what you really like. We'll end the video with this angle because this angle looks so badass. If you like our video, comment in the comment section, like and subscribe, and show some love, guys, to our channel. I would really appreciate it. Me and my team would appreciate if you subscribe. And that's it for today's episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!